Welcome to my little bamboo homestead. That's me, Kara, and today I really want to get this clump of bamboo out. Actually, there's a lot of bamboo I want to get out, but let's start here, and I have a plan. But first, we need to dig a trench around this bamboo. A couple things about it. It's a clumping bamboo, so it's growing off of basically a root ball. So really, all I want to do is kind of cut through the surface roots and dig a little trench around it. So when I go and try to pull this bamboo out, it should come out easier. I'm sure I could rent a machine, but I don't want to spend the money. And this channel is all about doing things on your own and making do with what you have. So I'm pulling out this bamboo because there's a huge oak tree right next to me that I need to get trimmed. And also it's time to start propagating some more. I sell this as a little side hustle, and I also make things out of all the poles.
Mother clucker.
Beep. Alright, I'm definitely getting tired because I'm poking myself in the eye and I'm dragging the pickaxe around. So I think we're good. Start getting set up with the plan. So the plan, it's this tire. We're going to wrap around that bamboo, string it up and over this tire for some leverage, and attach it to the truck. And voila. That's how it's going to work. But I decided that I was on the wrong side. I need to move everything over. So here we go. It's just hooking up the straps and getting everything set up nice and straight. So let's do this. Final checks. Check, check. Check.
Oh shit! It freaking worked! It freaking worked! First, holy shit! That is cool. That's cool.
Okay, it wasn't a big bamboo, but it was the first time using this method, so I'm gonna say this was a success.
Could take a little pressure off of that before somebody dies, but YouTube University? Holy shit! I can't believe I spent money on a master's degree. God damn it. Why didn't I just wait? Okay. I'm just... Fuck yeah. Let's do this. Let's fucking do this.